Hi, I'm Hannah Bernard. You're watching Market 1 Minute, and I'm here today with Jim Walchuk of Zinc One Resources. So Jim, I want to start off by talking about the Bongar zinc mine project in Peru. Tell me its significance.
It's a company maker. I've got 39 years in mining, but I have never seen a project that has all the check marks on it.
Wow.
So it's extremely high grade. It's sitting on surface. It's in Peru. It's great jurisdiction. It's got no environmental issues that we know of, but we're checking. The community is extremely supportive and knowledgeable. And you're in Peru, like I said, it's a jurisdiction that likes mining and wants these things to go ahead.
Great, that's so important. So what are the next steps with this project?
Well, right now we're delineating out a historical resource.
Okay.
We want to bring that in compliance and come out with a resource probably in September, October of this year.
Okay.
And then follow up with a preliminary economic assessment to look at the economics of it. And then we'll make a decision either to go straight to a pre-feasibility or feasibility. I think we can skip the pre-feas and go right to a feasibility, which will shorten the timeline to production.
Great. So you mentioned the relationship with the surrounding communities. Can you shed a little bit more light about that?
I'd love to. I mean, the community is so good because it's very rare when you go out to try to develop a project that the community is so educated. And the reason being is that it had a previous operator on the project.
Okay.
So they saw the exploration phase, they saw the construction phase, they saw the operations phase, and they saw the remediation phase. So right now it looks really nice up there. The previous operator did a pretty good job. We took it over from him, so he didn't complete it. But the community itself really understands it, and they actually understand the benefits of the mine that'll come with it.
Yeah.
And so they're very, very supportive.
Jim, tell us about the recent drill and sampling program at Bongará.
Yes, it's quite nice. When we started drilling off our program, we started sort of on the north side with a little portion called Bongarita.
Okay.
And then we moved over to Mina Chica, and of the 1.2 million historical resource, 1.2 million tons, only 50,000 of it was represented by Mina Chica. But Bill Williams, he was convinced that there was more there for various reasons, typically because there was no drilling done on it. It was just pit sampling and channel sampling. So when he started exploring, we started finding a lot more. The intercepts were very deep and extremely high grade. So we were very keen. We think Mina Chica is going to become a major portion now of the overall project.
And you mentioned the timeline to production. Where are things at with that?
Well, the goal, we're not an exploration company, we're a mine development company. We like brownfield projects that can be brought into production in short order. That is the goal of our company in good jurisdictions in North and South America. And this one fits all the bills. So what we're hoping to do is if we can get the feasibility done and get started, that would probably take up most of 2019 and then go into construction of 2020. So that's kind of the time frame that we're looking to target.
Well, it sounds like a lot of great news coming from you guys, Jim. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you.